I'm Dr. Kalyani, Senior Consultant, Cataract, Cornea and Refractive Services at LB Nagar Branch, Center for Sight. Keratoconus is a degenerative condition of the black part of the eye, which is the cornea. In keratoconus, what happens is there is a progressive thinning of the cornea leading to a conical protrusion of the cornea. The word keratoconus means, kerato means cornea and cone means a cone-shaped protrusion. The incidence of keratoconus is like it affects 1 in 1000 population, and this is slightly higher in India. Around 2 to 2.5 per thousand is the incidence in India. Usually the age group which is affected with keratoconus is between 10 to 30 years, but it can affect kids below 10 years and also adults beyond 30 years of age. Moving to the symptoms of keratoconus, in the initial stages it is difficult for the patient to know he is having keratoconus, and they often delay coming to the doctor because they do not perceive any symptoms. But later on, as the keratoconus progresses, the patient has disturbances of vision, distorted images, glare, insensitivity to light, and they do also have frequent change of glasses, especially there is a change of cylindrical power. So at this stage, usually patients come to the ophthalmologist, and this is when we tend to diagnose patients having keratoconus. When we suspect a patient having keratoconus, we advise a corneal topography to them. A corneal topography is a diagnostic tool which helps in getting us to know if the patient is having keratoconus or not. The procedure what is done to prevent the progression of keratoconus is C3R or collagen cross-linking. In collagen cross-linking, the patient's cornea is exposed to UV rays and riboflavin drops are instilled over the cornea. With the interaction of these two, cross-linked bonds are formed over the cornea, which help in strengthening of the patient's cornea, and also this prevents the progression of keratoconus in the future. But anyways, we need a periodic follow-up for every 6 months to 1 year. Post C3R also. Once the C3R is done, after 6 to 8 weeks, the patients are advised glasses or contact lens if it is a mild moderate keratoconus, and in the cases where it is advanced keratoconus, we advise them to Intacs. Intacs are nothing but these are plastic rings which are inserted in the stromal layers of the cornea, which help in further flattening of the surface of the cornea, which help in improvement of the vision for the patient. When the corneal thickness is way too low for us to perform collagen cross-linking, we advise corneal transplant procedures for such patients. Corneal transplant surgeries can be full thickness corneal transplant, or else it could be partial thickness corneal transplant surgery, in which the diseased cornea of the patient is removed and the donor cornea is placed and it is sutured to the host tissue of the patient. Now let's debunk few myths regarding keratoconus. Does increased screen time cause progression of keratoconus? No, increased screen time doesn't cause progression of keratoconus. Yes, it does cause certain discomfort, but it doesn't help in progression of keratoconus. Does C3R help in vision improvement? No, C3R is a procedure only useful for prevention of progression of keratoconus. It doesn't help in improvement of vision. Can keratoconus make a patient completely blind? No, keratoconus doesn't make a patient completely blind. Yes, keratoconus decreases vision at every stage, even if it is a mild keratoconus, moderate or a severe keratoconus, but it doesn't make a patient completely blind. And for every stage of keratoconus, we do have treatment, so there is nothing to be worried about it, and your doctor will give you proper support of the patient to maintain functional vision. So if you're having any of these symptoms like frequent change of glasses or glare or like distortion of images, if your vision is not clear, please do visit your nearby ophthalmologist, especially the young kids, because the progression of keratoconus is very high in young kids.
Follow Center for Sight and post your queries to get answers from the experts.